welcome back to another LCM Speech Festival. This is going to be the 10th LCM Speech Festival. If you guys would like to place at the LCM Speech Festival, please feel free to get professional speech training at either of our locations. One is in Jordan in Hong Kong, and the other is in Tai Po in Hong Kong. That is where I am now. Is that right, Alara?
That's right.
Today we're going to be going over the 4-year-old verse, Hey Diddle Diddle. We're going to first go over the pronunciation to make sure that you guys are saying everything perfectly, like a native English speaker. Then we are going to go over it again, but we're going to add rhythm to help you guys learn how to present your speech perfectly. Is that right, Alara?
That's right.
Okay, so here we go. Hey Diddle Diddle. Hey Diddle Diddle. The cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport. And the dish ran away with the spoon. Now, you guys are probably wondering, why is he saying t when it says a d on jump, jumped, and laughed, right? It has a D at the end. It looks like it should be jumped and laughed, but it's not. Because in English, we have this little rule. If you have a voiceless ending of the root word and you add the ed, then you're gonna change that ed to a t sound. Very complicated rule. So that's why we say jumped and laughed. So if you really want to impress the judges, make sure that you add that t sound, okay? So now we're going to do the speech again, but this time we're going to add a nice flow and motion in our presentation so that it rhymes correctly. Is that right, Alara?
That's right.
All right, let's do this. Here we go. First, I want you to stand up nice and straight, put your arms to your side, and then you're going to bow, and then we're going to start. Here we go. Hey diddle diddle. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. All right, guys, I will see you at the speech festival. I can't wait to see you there. We're going to be there with all of our kids. It's going to be very fun. I can't wait. Can you wait, Alara?
No, I can't wait.
Me neither. So I will see you at the speech festival. Goodbye.